Let's start blood group. What is blood group and what is the importance of blood group in my life? And every animals and human beings which are living on the earth. Why the blood groups is very important for us because it comes in several examinations. At least 1 or 2 marks is to be comes and every times, and it is very important topic for us to be discussed on the blood group and this is a very opportunity to us. I will be see that what is the importance of blood group and what is the kinds of the blood group. Blood groups were discovered in 1901 by Carl Landsteiner. He was born in Australia and after that he settled in America. He got the Nobel Prize for discovering the blood group. Blood group are four types: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O. Blood group A are having the antigens and blood group B it's also having the antigen, but blood group AB and blood groups O are not having the antigens, they having the antibodies. Antigens means if the any virus or bacteria or any spores have to be come out from in your bodies, he will be first of all he will be captured and he will be killed to this bacteria, and after that is to be released from the bodies as a pus. It is the basic work is that red blood cells it's give strength in your bodies whenever if you are playing or living in your room, then you see that whenever you are running or playing, your blood pressures have to be increases in a high levels. Whenever you are living in your homes, then see that your blood have to be very normal, and then you have checkups at many times it goes to minors. The blood pressures are basic measurement like a sphygmomanometers, and it is recorded as 120 by 80. 120 is the systolic and 80 is the diastolic, but sometimes it had been known as 90, but it is have to see that in a high altitude area like Ladakh and JNK in another place where due to the lack of the oxygens, the environment pressures has to goes to high, and whenever you are breathing your BPs automatically goes to raise, so that this is the reasons is to be for raising your blood group. After that we are discussing Bombay blood group. What is Bombay blood groups? And it was discovered by doctors Y.M. Vendes in 1952, and he was also discovered a unique blood groups in all over the universe, and after that he was also awarded by the Nobel Prize, and he got a unique strength in the scientist and in the history. Apart from that, the Carl and Steiners first discovered the blood group A, and it was very unique. After that he find that blood group B. After that he was discovered the blood group O, that known as the C. Sometimes this questions has to be comes in many times in the examinations that C blood group C that are named by blood group O. This is the basic questions which we have need to learn everyone's, because this may have the questions will be raised in the examinations. After that, it is basic things for us to everyone to understand that these antigens and these antibodies are having the manual congestions to each others. But AB is a acceptors and O is a donors. He can serve to every blood group, but he will never accept to all of. And AB receptors, he can accept to all of the blood groups. And after that, if we are talking say about the Bombay blood groups have no antigens, have no antibodies. He is a unique factors like H, and it is commonly known as Bombay blood group. It's may found only some rare cases in human being. In more than 1 lakh persons to one case has to be detected by the persons. It is necessary to all of us to understand about the Bombay blood group because it comes in many times in the examinations.